Hello, welcome. Evalu8 are here today to show you how we make a difference to the lives of school children as Imagineers for the education sector by monitoring student well-being. As teachers post-COVID, now is the time to keep a close eye on students. The government are recommending we speak about mental health and well-being and give more opportunities for pupils. And if you can imagine it, we can build it. We use imagination, engineering and innovation to care for the young minds of the future. Our solution takes the proactive approach to tracking. It predicts trends and so you can prevent mood dips, and it enables teaching staff with straightforward UI. And here are my colleagues to show you that solution in action today. Thank you very much for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Mail Hadri. You can call me Agent 008, and now I'm here to show you our live demo for our application, and we call it Evalu8. So what we can do with this application, actually, this application will help the teachers within their school or within their organization to do several things. First, they can go, we have a main 3 button: health, mood, and observation of behavior. So within health button, actually, they can go there and they can start fill a specific assessment for the children that we have it. For example, here they can add a title. Let us pick test, and from there we can add the teacher name. I will add my name, and from here the teacher will be able to pick any mood. For example, if it's 1, it means the child is so happy and positive. If it's 2, it means he's natural, and if it's 3, it means he's not okay and he's super negative. And from there they can select the date. For example, if we pick today, and also a child name. So we have already a list on our data source, which is, I will show it to you after this part. And we already locate our name. So for example, here, let us pick John. And here we have a specific flow, which is my colleague Elizabeth will explain it. Here, if we want to send the report, or we want to send an information or a health assessment or whatever we have in this form to the parents, so we need to click here. We need to make it yes, and based on this one, there's already a flow will send automatically to the parents. And here, if we have any notification text that we want to add it, we can add it. And also, if we want to add any comments, we will be able to do it. And from there, we can submit the form. This is for the first part. Second part, it's about the mood. A similar way. Let me go back to our data source and show you what we have. So for our application, actually, we used SharePoint, and we built a several list. So we built a main list. We call it a child list. It's contained the child information, and like the phone number, their parents' information, the details, the email. Email here, it means the email of their parents. So we can notify them based on our form that we have it on our application. And we have observation of behavior list. So we already built a specific columns based on whatever we want to fill within the app, even for the mood assessment. This is our SharePoint, and this is our application. And now I will hand it to Elizabeth. If you can please share with us the Power Automate that we are using and the Power BI. So the floor is for you now.
That will send notification to the parent in case one of the requests or mood assessment or observation of behavior or health assessment will be created. In case if we specify that we want to share this with the parent of the child. So the flow is easy. It triggers on the creation of the record. For example, here I'm showing the observation of behavior. Then I'm retrieving the child and I'm retrieving the parent of the child in order to get the email and send the notification. This notification text may be different from the text that was specified as a description of this observation of behavior. In case we want to tell the information regarding the child personally, and we don't want to send it in an email. So here is the example of the email that was sent. here is written that a new mood assessment has been created, and the text is the same text that we specified in the description of this mood assessment in the SharePoint list. So here we have this message: your child John has a good mood this month. This message will be received by a parent. And we also created the Power BI report. This report can be used by parents and by teachers, but preferably by teachers, in order to have statistics of which mood and how many children they have in their school. And it can also be seen regarding the time and the period of the year. For